Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with you today to talk about one of the most important concepts in business, creating value. Creating value is all about understanding your customers and delivering products or services that meet their needs and exceed their expectations. It's about finding ways to make a positive impact on their lives, and in turn, your business will benefit from increased customer loyalty and growth. Why is creating value so important? Well, in a world where competition is fierce, it's essential to differentiate yourself and stand out from the crowd. By creating value for your customers, you're not only building customer loyalty, but also improving your chances of success in the long term. When customers see the value you bring to their lives, they will be more likely to choose your products or services over those of your competitors. So, how do you create value? It starts with understanding your customers. You need to know what their needs and wants are, what their pain points are, and what they value most. Once you have this information, you can develop a strategy for delivering products or services that meet their needs and exceed their expectations. But it's not just about delivering products or services that meet customer needs. You also need to deliver them in a way that adds value to their lives. For example, a company that provides exceptional customer service, fast and free shipping, or flexible payment options is creating value in ways that go beyond the product itself. Now let's talk about a company that didn't succeed with this strategy. Blockbuster is a prime example of a company that failed to create value for its customers. They were once the king of the video rental industry, but it failed to adapt to changing customer needs and preferences. As customers began to demand more convenience and choice, Blockbuster failed to deliver. They were slow to embrace online streaming and eventually went out of business. Blockbuster's failure to create value for its customers serves as a cautionary tale for companies in any industry. The company had a strong brand, a large customer base, and a dominant position in the market, but it failed to respond to the changing needs and preferences of its customers. As a result, it lost its competitive edge and fell behind companies like Netflix and Redbox, who were able to offer more convenient and cost-effective options for renting movies. Blockbuster also failed to recognize the growing popularity of online streaming and was slow to invest in this new technology. This allowed Netflix to establish a strong foothold in the market and eventually overtake Blockbuster as the leading provider of video rental services. Another factor that contributed to Blockbuster's downfall was its rigid business model. Blockbuster was focused on its brick-and-mortar stores, which limited its ability to respond to changing customer needs and preferences. This was in stark contrast to Netflix, which was able to quickly pivot to a digital-first business model and reach customers wherever they were. So, what can we learn from Blockbuster's story? The key takeaway is that companies must continually assess and respond to the changing needs and preferences of their customers. This requires a willingness to embrace new technologies and adapt your business model as necessary. By doing so, you can stay ahead of the competition and create value for your customers. Another company that has effectively created value for its customers is Amazon. Amazon founded in 1994 and has transformed the way people shop and access information. From its beginnings as an online bookseller, Amazon has grown to become one of the largest and most successful e-commerce companies in the world, offering a wide range of products and services, including groceries, electronics, clothing, and even streaming services. One of the key reasons for Amazon's success is its focus on creating value for its customers. The company has made shopping online more convenient and accessible by offering a vast selection of products at competitive prices, combined with fast and reliable shipping options. Amazon has also made it easier for customers to find what they're looking for by using sophisticated algorithms that personalize recommendations and search results. Another way Amazon has created value for its customers is by prioritizing customer service. The company has implemented various policies, such as a hassle-free return policy and 24/7 customer support, to ensure that customers have a positive shopping experience. This, in turn, has helped build customer loyalty and trust in the brand. Additionally, Amazon has expanded its offerings to include services such as Amazon Prime, which provides customers with free and fast shipping. as well as access to a library of movies, TV shows, and music. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also provides added value for Amazon Prime subscribers. So, today we learned about the importance of creating value for customers through the examples of Amazon and Netflix. We saw how they focus on offering a wide selection at competitive prices and exceptional customer service that has helped them become a trusted and valued brands in the minds of their customers. Thank you for being here today, and as always, if you have any questions, let us know.